Hello. Do a little different this week for our wedding talk. We're actually getting set up. I'm videoing here our setup for a wedding, and some things to look at. So I'm just going to walk you around the room. It's a little messy yet right now because, like I said, we're just getting everything set up for it. So as you can see here, we're just getting like all our linens, hanging up here again. And we have most of our tables covered. We're getting it set with the charger plate. That's something that's nice. It's more or less just a decoration that's used through cocktail hour and salad course, and then it's removed and replaced with your dinner plate or when your platter comes out. So you actually don't eat on it, but it just gives it a nice little touch. Today's wedding is a little bit, nice lantern centerpieces, and we have some greens that'll be going out there. They're doing, their head table with just a sweetheart table in the middle on the risers. Let's come around this way. So we're coming down here, Emily and Maddie, setting the utensils, getting everything ready. How do you flip it? To do that.
You can't.
There's Emily. There's a little bit, some of it, they have different centerpieces on each table. Some have just like a bowl with a little bit of water or floating candles. Some have the lanterns, gives you some ideas. Silver Chiavari chairs go real nice. Of course, matching silver chargers. Let's take a walk out into the foyer as the guests enter, and that's, of course, where you'll have your table seating assignments. Let's see if they're doing some type of a guest book or something like that. So here on this table is where the seating cards will be going, so everybody knows where they're seating. And this here is a little something different, write a little message on the hearts. And then they have this big H here that will drop them right in. And then they'll have something to keep for it. So that's just a brief tour of our wedding setup this week, and how it all comes together, move everything around and get it set up. Till next week, have a great day.